Hi, in this project, we will be building a machine learning model that is able to recommend restaurants to our users. So let's see how we are going to implement that. What does this project entails? Now a recommender system or a recommendation system has an ability to predict whether a particular user would prefer an item or not based on the user's profile. Recommender systems are beneficial to both service providers and users. In this project, we are building a recommendation system or a recommendation model that will recommend us restaurants in a particular destination, taking in your latitude and longitude geographical location. Details for the project. We will be taking in our dataset and train our model according to reviews it has and the location it has using k-means clustering. We will also see how to portray geographical data onto our collab file using Plotly libraries and GeoPandas libraries. These two are the main libraries and some more dependencies. Lastly, we will be building a basic function that will take geographical data as input, that is our longitude and latitude values, and recommend restaurants to the user. For people who are not much experienced in machine learning or maybe have not understood or not have used Plotly library or maybe GeoPandas library, I would recommend you to see or to at least go at the links that I would be providing later on for those libraries to understand what all features those libraries provide, why I have been using them, and what more you can use those features or those libraries for. So the next is machine learning model. So we start off with building a machine learning model. That is our main point, and we are using k-means clustering model and train that using the Yelp dataset that we have. So I've just given this as a pointer that for this project you will have to understand all the libraries used before you start implementing the code. Why I'm emphasizing on this is because these libraries are not much used by people who are just doing simple EDA or just building a simple model on a very, I would say, non-complex data set. So this is like a brief about the types of recommendation systems that exist. So there are mainly two types, and then there's the mixture of both the types. The first type is content-based filtering systems. So it makes recommendations based on user preferences for product features. So this type of filtering is based or is dependent upon users and their behavior. Now next is collaborative filtering. So it mimics the user to user recommendations. Now here this filtering is actually dependent upon the product and who or how many are recommending that product. It is not dependent upon the user but the product itself. So I will be discussing more about these systems in later videos. And yeah, lastly, let's now move on to the code part of it. And there's a quite bit of theory where I'm explaining about the libraries or maybe about the Plotly, some of the functions in Plotly that are similar to Matplotlib, but can take more parameters or can output even more detailed graphs for the data set. So yeah, let's move on.